Hey all, I'm coming to you recording this because I just feel the need to share what's on my mind for all of those who have fibromyalgia and may have other health conditions that cause challenges in everyday life. And my whole point is, and this is a very short video, but it's too long for a video short, so that's why it's not on the shorts, it's on the regular channel. I'm announcing very excitedly that I have created a workshop for fibromyalgia recovery. For those who have fibromyalgia and are in need of help to get to a low to no pain life, who are looking for ways to manage and to bring things under control and to be able to live a fun, fulfilled life with friends, family, and co-workers, this workshop is for you. It is May 25th to the 27th of 2022. This is the very first workshop of many, but I'm putting this one out as primary and saying, please come and join. I first want to know that people are interested before I go and post the exact time, although I do have a time in mind. I just want to know who's all interested first. I'm looking at the afternoon Pacific Standard Time and or late morning. Haven't quite figured that part out, but I want to first hear, are people interested? So leave me a comment below if you're interested, and if you are not interested, let other people know about this workshop. It's Fibromyalgia Recovery. It's all things about fibromyalgia, and it touches on mental health issues as well as other issues, and it's all inclusive. That's why I address mental health in it, because this is also Mental Health Awareness Month, and they do tend to go together. You have to go to the workshop to find out how. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're interested, please comment below that you're interested, and I will give further information. I will also add in a link in the description, or you can send it via email. I'm going to tell you right now. It's called fibrokingdomacademy @gmail.com. Send me an email that you're interested, and I can give you all the deets. So until next time, I wish you the very best. I will be going live this Friday. I want to say it's the 5th at 8 a.m. I do not have any contradictions with my schedule. That was last week only. So I'm excited because I'm going to be able to share then a little bit more in depth of what I'm doing, answer some questions, and help you with clarity. So there you go. I'm also looking at starting to do some sharing of different products that I think are really helpful for those who have fibromyalgia and need a little bit of extra assistance in daily living. So until next time, good talking.